I reach out my hand to you. I have faith in all you do.
Just call my name and I'll be there.
Oh, yeah.
Just let me fill your heart with joy and laughter.
Togetherness,
It's all I'm after. Whenever you need me, I'll be there.
Oh,
I'll be there.
I'll be there.
Thank you all for coming tonight.
You're welcome.
For, in my opinion, is a very special cause. And the cause is our future, and the future is our children. I will continue to fight for them for the rest of my life.
Thank you, Michael. We appreciate it.
I thank Rick Dees, you're the man, and Kiss FM. I love you, Rick. Aaron Carter, Nick Carter, come on up here. I embarrassed him. Thank you so much. I love you. Oh, this is a happy birthday cake. Where are you taking the cake?
I don't want to die in my sleep. But it's a song, right?
Look, would you like to be buried in something like this?
No, I don't ever want to be buried.
Really?
No,
What would you like to happen to you?
I would like to live forever.
My name is Michael Jackson.
I look great, didn't
Did
I?
it?
What?
I said, did it really? Ouch! Better put me down, please.
When I'm in, just be real cool.
I really wanted to just move his legs in the right place. His feet are like boats. Put all your energy into your feet. Boom, throw it out. Fire.
It is part of the jam.
Giving away all my beauty secrets. No, there are no secrets.
Oh, can I give you them? Do I have stories to tell?
He jumped on my back, and without thinking, I was doing wrong because I didn't know what. This is a distance.
Look at this. This is cheating like crazy. He takes it and goes up, slams it.
What? No, what? Michael,
Can we try it just one more time?
The real Michael Jackson. Please stand forward.